I'm about to show you one of the best dollar or crypto arbitrage opportunity that is going to make you up to 100,000 naira to 150,000 naira within 1 month. Stay tuned, guys. What's up, beautiful people? It's Leo here again, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best dollar arbitrage or crypto arbitrage that is capable of making you up to 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira within 1 month. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you the information I got that has made me a whole lot of money, up to 350,000 naira in pure profit. So you would also benefit from this information that I got. All right, so you can also get the same result that I got. All right, so I'm going to share this information with you guys at the end of this video. All right, now in today's arbitrage, we are going to be making use of two platforms. The first platform is going to be an e-commerce platform, all right, and the second one is going to be Binance. The reason why we're going to make use of this e-commerce platform is because we are going to buy dollar in bank rates. All right, so we are going to be making use of Amazon. The e-commerce platform that we're going to make use of is called Amazon. All right, and we're going to be buying dollar in bank rates using Amazon. And the reason why we're going to be making use of the second platform called Binance is for us to be able to convert this dollar that we bought in bank rates, so we can be able to make most profit out of this arbitrage. So I want you to stay with me as I take you step by step, right? Now, but before jumping straight into this video, in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. My name is Leo and I create content around online and offline business and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do well to join this family by smashing that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash that subscription button if you're yet to be a subscriber to this channel, because I'm very sure you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in this channel. All right, I believe you have subscribed to the channel. And the next thing I want you to do is to like this video. Yes, go ahead and like this video, smash the like button, because I'm pretty sure you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in today's video. All right, now with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. I believe you have liked this video and I believe you have also subscribed to the channel. So let's get started. Now the first platform we're going to be making use of is an e-commerce platform, which is Amazon. All right, so let's quickly go to Amazon. Now this is Amazon, and as you can see, the products here is being sold in dollar, and the first product is sold for $89. As you can see over here, it's being sold for $89, and as you go down, you can still see other ones. This one is being sold for $56, and as you still go down, you can still see other ones. This one here is being sold for $169, right? Now we are going to calculate this dollar, right, and see how much Amazon is going to be selling this dollar to us, at which rate will Amazon be selling this dollar to us. So how are we going to calculate and see how much Amazon will be selling this dollar for? Let's use this first product as an example. This first product is Apple Pencil, right? Apple Pencil. So, and it is being sold for $89. All right, $89. So we're going to check how much this particular product is going to be sold in naira. All right, I'm in Nigeria, so let me be using naira for the sake of this video. Now we are going to change the currency to naira. So how are we going to change this? We're going to scroll down to the bottom of this platform, and as you can see over here, you are going to see Nigerian naira. So let's click there that said Nigerian naira. All right, so we just have to click over here in order to select Nigerian naira. All right, I've done this arbitrage, that's why you are seeing Nigerian naira. If not, it's going to be in dollars. All right, so but I'm still doing it again so you can be able to follow. So you click over here, right, in order to select Nigerian naira. So as you can see different types of currencies over here. You can see a whole lot of currencies over here, even Ghanaian cedis and the rest of them. So we are going to choose naira. All right, so once you click on naira, you are going to click over here that said save changes. All right, so let's proceed. Click on save changes. So once we've clicked on settings, I want you to click on this particular product, which is a Apple Pencil, which is being sold for $89. Remember, it's being sold for $89. So let's click on the product and see how much the product is going to be in naira. So boom. So as you can see, this product is being sold for 42,976 naira. All right, 42,976 naira. Remember, how much is being sold for dollar is 89. So we are going to calculate and see how much or at which rate Amazon is going to be selling dollar to us. So remember, the amount they are selling it in dollar is $89, and the amount they are selling it in naira is 42,976. So we are going to move to my calculator and see how much or at which rate Amazon is going to sell this dollar to us. Let's go, guys. So I'm in my calculator now. So remember, the naira is for 42,976 naira. So we are going to divide it by that amount they are selling it in dollar, which is 89. All right, so at $89, it shows that Amazon is going to be selling dollar to us at 482 naira. That is how much Amazon is going to be selling a dollar to us. 482 naira. All right, that is how much, which is very, very profitable. All right, which means that they are selling it at bank rate to us. All right, now this is the next step we are going to take. Back to Amazon. Now we are not going to buy this product from Amazon, because if we are to buy this product, Amazon will ship this product to us, right? So what you're going to do in order to buy this dollar at bank rate from Amazon is this: you are going to get a friend that stays maybe in Kenya, Ghana, UK, USA, any country, as long as the person is not staying in Nigeria. All right, so or if you are in Kenya or Ghana or UK or wherever you are, and you have a friend in Nigeria, you can actually invite the friend and engage in this arbitrage. It's very, very profitable. Now what you are going to do is, if you have a friend in Kenya or maybe in Ghana, I want you to tell this your friend to create Amazon KDP accounts. Yes, Amazon KDP account. That's what I want you to tell your friend to create. All right, now in Amazon KDP, the product that you're going to see there is book. So you are going to access this product online. Amazon is not going to ship this product to you. All right, so I want you to type over here KDP. So we will search for KDP products. Let's go, guys. Now as you can see, these are the books that they are selling in KDP, and they are being sold for 8,204 naira. This one is 7,629 naira, and then so on. All right, this one is 3,375 naira. All right, now we are going to change this back to dollar and see how much is going to be in dollars. So remember, you have to scroll down to the bottom, and over here that said Nigerian naira, we're going to click there and change it to US dollar. All right, so let's click there. So we're going to select here and choose US dollar, right over here, US. And remember, once you select the currency, remember to click on save changes in order to effect the changes, right? So let's go. Now it has come back to dollar. So let's use this first product, this first book, as an example. This book is being sold for $16. All right, remember, $16. All right, so let's still change it to naira and see how much is being sold in naira. All right, now the same product that is being sold for $16 is also being sold for 8,204 naira. All right, so let's still do calculation and see how much Amazon is going to be selling this dollar to us, at which rate Amazon is going to be selling this dollar to us. Now at this point, if you are still here to like this video, I still don't know what you're waiting for. All right, so go ahead and smash the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. All right, go ahead and smash that like button to show appreciation. And if you are still up until now yet to subscribe to this channel, Guys, I still don't know what you're watching for. Go ahead, smash the subscription button to join this beautiful family. All right, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now let's quickly go to my calculator and see at which rate Amazon is going to be selling this dollar to us. Remember, the product is being sold for $16, and when you convert it to naira, it is being sold for 8,204 naira. So let's quickly go to my calculator and see how much or at which rate Amazon will be selling this dollar to us. Now, for naira, it's being sold for 8,204 naira. So you're going to divide it by $16. So Amazon is going to be selling this dollar to us at 512 naira per dollar. All right, 512 naira, which is still profitable. All right, now what I want you to do is this. I want you to get a friend, maybe in Kenya or in Ghana or anywhere, maybe USA or UK. All right, get this your friend. Ask your friend to create a KDP account. Right, create a KDP account and upload a low content account. If you don't know how to create a low content book, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a separate video teaching you step by step how you can be able to create a low content book and upload it on Amazon. All right, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do that video. Now let's say your friend must have created this account and must have uploaded this book on Amazon. What you are going to do is you are going to buy this book that your friend uploaded on Amazon KDP. Right, you are going to buy this book on Amazon KDP. Now remember, this arbitrage is unlimited. You can still do it repeatedly. All right, so you are going to buy as much as you can. If you want to buy up to 7, it's beautiful. All right, buy as many as you want. All right, now once you must have bought this book from your friend, Amazon is going to send this money to your friend's local bank account. I think it takes like 2 weeks before Amazon start making payments, but either ways, Amazon is going to make these payments direct to your friend's local bank account. Now, at this point, what your friend is going to do is to head over to Binance. All right, your friend is going to send this money to you using Binance. Now, let's make a small calculation and see whether we are making profit or we are making loss. All right, guys, now this is Binance. All right, this is Binance, and Binance is selling USDT for 744 naira. That is how much Binance is selling USDT, and this your friend is going to be sending back your payment using Binance. All right, now remember how much Amazon sold this dollar to us. Amazon sold it for 512 naira per dollar. Right, but in Binance per USDT is 744 naira. All right, 744 minus how much Amazon sold their dollar to us, which is 512. All right, 512. We are going to be getting 232 naira profit per dollar. Right, per dollar. Now remember, this book that we wanted to buy is being sold for $16. All right, it's being sold for $16. So you are going to say 232 times 16. So we are going to be getting a whooping 3,712 naira per a book that you purchase, per book. And note that your friend is not only going to have only one book in his KDP account. He's going to have as many as, he might even have as like 20 books in his KDP account. All right, and you are going to be making 3,712 naira per one book you bought on Amazon. Right, now let's say you bought like 20 books that he have in his account, Amazon KDP account. All right, so you are going to remember, you are going to be making 3,712 naira per one book that you bought. Right, now let's say you bought like 20 of them that he's selling, so that's 3,712 naira times 20. You are going to be making a whooping 74,000 naira, guys. 74,000 naira, guys. I want you to hit the like button of this video to show appreciation, guys. Hit the like button of this video and subscribe to this channel. 74,000 naira, guys. 74,000 naira, guys. This is really profitable, guys. I would want you to jump into this and make cool cash for yourself, guys. Jump into this and make cool cash for yourself. Now, at the beginning of this video, I made mention of sharing an information to you at the end of this video. Now, as I was scouting for ways to make money online, I stumbled on this information, and when I got this information, I have to study it step by step, and after studying it, I have to implement every single thing I learned from this information that I got. After implementing step by step every single thing I learned from this information that I got, I was able to make up to 350,000 naira in pure profit. I'm going to show you my account so you will see for yourself. As at 15th of March, I was having around 350,000 naira in my account. 350,000 naira in my account. Now, as at the time I'm making this video, I've added up to 65,000 naira. As you can see it up here, today's balance, I've added up to 65,000 naira, which has increased the 350,000 naira to 415,000 naira in pure profit. In pure profit. Now, I said to myself, why don't I share this information to my families on YouTube so they can also benefit from this particular information, right? Now, I'm going to leave the link of this particular information in the description of this video, and I'm still going to pin the link of this particular information in the comment section. So check the comment section for the link which I'm going to pin there, or in the description of this video. Click on the link to get this particular information. After clicking on the link, and you must have gotten this information, I want you to go through it diligently. I want you to implement step by step every single thing you learned from this particular information, and you are going to get the same result that I got. I want you to come back to this channel, right? I want you to come back to the comments of this particular video and drop your testimony, and I would love to celebrate with you, right? Invest in yourself. Click the link, get this information, study it, apply every single thing you learned there step by step, and you are going to get the same result that I got. I'm expecting your comment, and I would want to rejoice with you. Keep winning and know that Leo really loves you. Peace.